Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe! Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Atake dahil mukhang handang-handa na ang pambato natin na si Maria Atisa Manalo sa Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Face guard, sobrang valid. From her facial beauty, strong stage presence, and pageant experience, Atisa is making a statement this year. And we are here for it. So kung gusto mo ng real-time updates, analysis, at pageant insider information, make sure to like and follow this channel for more. Sino nga ba si Maria Atisa Manalo? Si Maria Atisa Manalo ay hindi na bago sa pageant scene. She was Binibining Pilipinas International 2018 and went on to win the first runner-up sa Miss International 2018 sa Tokyo, Japan. This year, she is back with a vengeance, aiming for the universe crown. Ang kalakasan ni Atisa Manalo bilang kandidata ay ang face card, soft yet striking beauty that easily stands out on camera and on the stage. Experience. With international pageant exposure under her belt, Atisa knows how to play the game. The elegance plus intelligence. Her communication skills are polished, and her advocacy for youth empowerment shows her depth beyond beauty. Consistent styling. She's been styled by top names in Philippine pageantry, and her looks are consistently pageant ready. Fans and pageant experts are saying siya na nga ba. Her presence in recent MUPH events is creating major noise, and with every public appearance, she is proving that she is a strong contender for Miss Universe crown. Kung atake ang pag-uusapan, walang tatalo sa energy at preparation ni Atisa. Kaya mga pageant lover, i-comment nyo na ang inyong suporta para sa ating pambatong si Maria Atisa Manalo. At syempre don't forget to like and follow this channel for more sports and pageantry updates. Hanggang sa susunod nating mga pag-uusapan at mga update.